Hello, YouTube. It's Logan again. Today I am doing a bird look. Originally it was supposed to be a fairy look. I was continuing on with my Disney fairies. I was going to do Silver Mist because she's blue, but that completely failed. I obviously don't know how to draw fairy wings, so I came up with something cooler, I think. I made my eye into the actual body shape of a bird, and those swirls are like, I guess, feathers or whatnot. So my eye would be like their actual eye. I thought that was kind of cool. This side doesn't really match, but I didn't want it to look the same. I thought that would be weird, but like that would be the beak of the bird. I had a really fun time doing this. I didn't talk during the tutorial. I'll put pictures at the end so you can see it more close up. It's really blue, sparkly, lots of eyeliner. I messed up a lot, but you learn from your mistakes. If you want to know how I did this look, just keep watching. Thanks.